Hi friends, welcome back in channel SciTech. In today's video, to do the under benchmark test in the Realme GT device by using the Realme cooling fan. Yes friends, this is my first time doing this kind of testing on the Realme GT smartphone. Let's see if you use the Realme cooling fan, will the temperatures of this phone decreases or not while you're doing the under benchmark test. That is what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And right now I did select this kind of position exactly on the top, as you can see friends. So slightly below the camera, because if I try to use on the top of the camera, because of this bump, this part of this cooling thermal will not touch the phone. That is the reason I did try to select slightly downwards, as you can see friends. So using this kind of method, let's see how much the Antutu benchmark score can be improved and how much the temperatures can be decreased. That is what I'm going to check. So during this process, I'm trying to clean everything from the background. So everything from the background is completely clean, as you can see. Same settings I'm trying to follow what I used before as well. Let me need to open the Antutu benchmark application at this point. And as you can see friends, exactly same position I'll try to use continuously. And let's check the temperatures in the beginning, how much it can be there on the back side. It's of 30 degrees, as you can see exactly. 31, 32, 33, 31.2. And front side is of 31 degrees. As you can see friends, completely, it's kind of 31 degrees and 32 degrees only. And I did start the Antutu benchmark test, and here the cooling fan also started at same time. So this is going to be really very interesting friends. So just to see, will this cooling fan, will it help to cool down this Realme GT or not? Because every time I do the Antutu benchmark test in the Realme GT, the temperatures are really very high. It went up to 41 degrees and 43 degrees as well sometimes. So that is what my main point of testing this Realme cooling fan. And this will be the really very good scenario to test whether this is kind of really gimmick or not, the Realme cooling fan. That is what. So 2-in-1 kind of test. And let's see what will happen. And the surface, I think it's kind of touching at this moment to the phone, so it should not be any kind of issues. Little bit, just a little bit gap is there. That's because of this curved display on the back side, curved edges on the back side. That is the reason. So it's not touching perfect, but still. Let's see friends how much the temperatures can actually cool down in this phone. And right now it's of 35.4 degrees and the back side 33.6. So slowly it started to increase the temperatures. So using the Realme cooling fan. So again I'll be back after a certain amount of time. Then we can actually check what is happening with the temperatures in this Realme GT device. And this is my first time doing this kind of testing friends. Even I am really excited to see what will be the Antutu benchmark score in this phone. That is what my excitement about. Let's see how much it can actually score. So right now, as you can see friends, this is a portion which I did keep the phone because the air should not be blocked. That is the reason. And let's check the temperatures right now, 40 degrees. So I cannot see any kind of decreasing in terms of the temperatures at this moment. And the back side 36.4 degrees, maybe on the back side little bit. On here 34 degrees, 36.2 degrees, 37.6, not bad. So at this moment I cannot see much higher temperatures. It's kind of close to 40 degrees. So usually in this case it will be close to 41 degrees. Only 1 degree got decreased, I think. That's it. So let's see, wait for the results. What will happen with the results? How much the temperature can actually increase? And 39 degrees at this moment, not bad. So 38.6 as well, not bad. So 39.6. So as I said, maybe 1 degree, 1.5 or 1 degree got slightly decreased, just a little bit, not much, just a little bit. But let's wait for the final result. What will happen with this Realme GT? Can it affect any kind of scores or not? CPU totaling, CPU and GPU performance scores or not? That's what I'm going to exactly check in this video. I wish they could have touched the bottom. At least the cooling pad should be kind of slightly big one, not very small and tiny, which is very small. And which is very frustrating because it's exactly in this corner position only. It should be covering that big area, not the small type of area. I wish they could have updated with the next generation cooling pad. So right now it's of 38.4 degrees, not bad. 37.2. Are you seeing this friends? Yeah, wow, that's good. 38.4 degrees, not bad. So I did do multiple times during this past 24 hours only. I did do 10 times of Antutu benchmark test in this device during the past 24 hours. So let's see what's going to happen with the final result with the benchmarks. Will it affect or not? So right now we are getting to the final stage of Antutu benchmark test. So now we'll get to know the results, what is happening with this phone using the cooling clip. Can it affect anything or not? And at this moment the temperature slightly decreased, 38.39 degrees, not bad. still remaining around 39 degrees only, and we are able to finish the test. And the back's at 35.6, not bad. And right now it's finished. On the score, we got about 8,18,000 of benchmark score. As you can see, friends, it's a really good score, I would say. 8,18,000. This is the test which I did using the Realme cooling clip. As you can see on the thermals, it was same as before, only exactly 11% increased. But I just want to see what is the maximum. So right now we did reach the maximum up to 41.1 degree. Let me try to check the previous results, what is happening with the previous scores in terms of the Antutu benchmark score. That is what I'm going to exactly check. Previously it went up to 42.3 degrees and 42.3 degrees and 43.8 degrees as well. You can see the change, what is the highest, as you can see 3 times. So right now it was about highest 41.1 degree. So overall maybe 1 to 2 degree slightly got impacted with this using the Realme cooling clip in the Realme GT device. That's the one thing which definitely I can give the confirmation at this moment. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is the final result which we got. I cannot see any kind of improvement in the CPU or the GPU scores, which is quite similar to the previous results as well. Nothing much major improvement, which is something really same as before. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more updates. And let me try to remove the cooling clip, and let's check the temperatures behind side and exactly under the cooling fan, how much it can be there. And right now 34.8 degrees, 33, 34.6, not bad. Let me try to remove this cooling clip and let's check. 29.8 degrees exactly underneath, as you can see on the top. And let's check what is the temperature of this cooling clip. 24.2, 21 degrees. Wow. 21.4 degrees, as you can see, friends. 21.4 degrees at this moment. Right now we are getting. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.